Hey guys, welcome to Profit Unlocked. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way of making $5,000 or even more from YouTube. I've been making YouTube videos for almost 4 years now, and I'm always looking for new trends in the market. Comparison videos have always ranked well on YouTube, and now that channels like Regrow Comparison and Watch Data starting making comparison videos, we can see just how much potential is in that niche alone. So what is Watch Data? Let's quickly check his channel and see how much money he makes, and also just how much time did he spend on growing his channel. So right now we are on Social Blade. Let's check his channel's data. We can see that his channel is dedicated to education, and he has 284,000 subscribers. Alright, now the interesting thing is that all of these subscribers were gained only in the last 6 months. Now, from where do I know that? Let's look at his YouTube channel. Now, if we sort by the oldest, we can see that the oldest video is from 6 months ago. Alright, although his channel was created in 2017, as you can see from here, we can see from his YouTube channel that his last video and his oldest video is from 6 months ago, which is the time that his channel actually exploded, as we can see from this chart right here. Right here we can see that he has been posting videos and had some amount of views till March of 2020. Now here is where his channel just exploded, and probably this is the time that he made his first visually appealing template for his videos. He's currently making from 5,000 all the way to 74,000 from his channel monthly. That number is actually around 50% of maximum, so it's usually near 40,000 mark. So he is making $40,000 months, which is insane. His yearly earnings are estimated to be from 56,000 to 896,000, and just like monthly, it's usually a bit more than the midpoint, which is roughly $400,000 and $450,000 per year. Now, let's see how you can learn from him and make your own comparison videos. So, if you're already familiar with his channel, you can see on his comment section and also on Facebook people just begging him to learn the platform that he uses. Well, I also was very interested, and after doing a quick search online and talking to some editors that I am working with, I came to the conclusion that there is no platform that you can make engaging videos like those. So you might ask how I have this template then. Well, it's actually pretty simple. If there is no platform to make videos like him, you just build your own template, and the best program for that is Adobe After Effects. I asked one of my editor friends to make a template for me, and as you can see, he made a perfect template. Let me just quickly show you. So as you can see, he added these placeholders, and I can actually change anything in here. So as you can see, it is a perfect template of Watch Data's videos. Basically, you can add images and change the text in all the sections, plus you can change the color, and you can add the sound effects, the whoosh sound effect for example, and basically background music. And the program that I am generally using for my videos is epidemicsound.com, which is pretty much the go-to place for YouTube music and sounds. There's a free 30-day trial, and you can test it before you actually buy it. The link will be in the description in case you would want to try them out. As much as I want to give this template to everyone who watches this video, I cannot do that because that will bring a high amount of videos such as these to YouTube and cause some major problems for Watch Data. So I decided to make a giveaway of this template. There will be multiple winners, and I will select them from the comment section below. So please comment down below on what you want to make with this template if you win it. You also need to subscribe and like this video to receive the template from me. Now, if you like the video and would want to learn of other new ways and proved ways of making some serious money online, do not press the subscribe button. Smash the subscribe button, and that will do. See you next time.